This is Upstate Steel, and this is their 90,000 square foot warehouse and fabrication shop in Blaisdell.
I love it. I love what I do. I could eat, breathe, live here. Yeah, this is all I've done my whole life.
As president of Upstate Steel, Lauren Schmalowitz gives us an exclusive look at the meticulous work her company is doing for the new Bill Stadium.
It's great. This is a once-in-a-lifetime project for our community. And the fact that a local steel fabricator was able to have such a great part of this project, all of our employees, everybody's so proud that we're working on it.
Upstate Steel has been tasked with building what are called fins and girts for the new home of the Bills. The fins are getting connected to the main structure of the stadium and will support the stadium's facade. The girts are going between the fins to keep them in place. Schmalowitz says 94 vertical fins are needed for the stadium. Upstate Steel is doing 24 of them. Plus, the company is in the process of making about 500 girts.
All the steel on the job is required that it's made and melted in America, so it's all domestic steel, which is obviously great.
Schmalowitz showed us how the fins and girts are made. It all starts with what's called the burn table. A computer program is used to burn pieces of steel into certain shapes. The fins have to be laid out flat, cleaned, and welded. Then they have to be flipped over, and that's no easy task. Cranes from the ceiling are used to actually flip the fin so they can be welded more. All this is happening while there are multiple quality checks to make sure there are no problems. Every piece of steel has to be marked with its dimensions and part number. Once they're done, the fins and the girts are loaded onto trucks and shipped off to be painted before going to the new stadium. And mistakes cannot be made because every fin or girt previously sent to the stadium needs to fit.
It's going great. A lot of work, a lot of welding, a lot of out-of-position welding.
We spoke to Chad Fleming, who's been with Upstate Steel for a year. He works all day, every day, on the fins.
Me and my partner Kenny are working on it from 6 to 4:30 every day, Monday through Friday. And Saturdays, come in for a few hours.
With so much on their plate, communication is key.
Talk to them, be like, hey, you need a hand, you know, what part are you on, you need any help with anything, and if anybody needs any help, we just go help each other out.
Upstate Steel says the company should be done making fins in the next week or so, and should be done with the girts by the end of May.
We're very proud that we're coming to the completion of the project, but we're also sad that it's ending because it's been a feather in our cap.
And they're proud to help build a new stadium for Western New York.
It's exciting because we're working at a place that I get to bring in the new future of football.
And that new future of football begins ahead of the 2026 regular season when the stadium opens to fans. Now, in case you're wondering, tariffs, according to Upstate Steel, not having an impact on their operation because that steel that you saw was purchased months ago. Jeff for All News 4. Good story, Jeff.
That's amazing. You know what else?
And how cool is that for every person?
I live with her.
Stay down the road.